Wow, what's this? It looks like a rocket, but wait, it's made of wax. Every piece, from the green booster to the yellow body, is handmade with care. Now the moment of truth. The fire touches the tip. Look at that flame. It's starting to melt, just like a real rocket preparing for launch. The wax begins to burn, smoke curling up into the air. It's beautiful and strange at the same time. Who would have thought a simple candle could look this alive? Art, fire, and imagination. Sometimes even wax can fly.